सर ये मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि जब हम पुलिस की बात करते हैं, साइबर क्राइम्स के लिए अब अलग से सेल्स बन गए हैं, अलग से उनके स्टेशन हैं और अलग टीम सब कुछ हैंडल करती है, तो वो क्या चैलेंजेस फेस करती हैं? मतलब आज अगर देखा जाए तो इट्स टोटली काफी सारी चीजें हो रही हैं, तो जो इश्यूज हैं उनके, ये सब क्या पुलिस क्या?
सी प्रॉब्लम इज दैट विद द लॉ एनफोर्समेंट एजेंसीज की साइबर क्राइम को एक तो पहले तो ये माना गया कि इसको एक अलग तरह का क्राइम माना गया और इसको एक स्पेशल क्राइम का कैटेगरी दे दी गई. लाइक वी हैव दैट एंटी नक्सलाइट सेल फॉर द take care of the Naxalite issues. We have an anti-narcotic cell, which is taking care of the all the drug mafia and then smuggling and all. Same case, we have the excise team for that another kind of liquor and all. So unfortunately, it is considered as a specialized crime. So, but it should be treated like a normal crime because it is a part and parcel of the local policy. One thing. Second thing is that on the police level also, it's supposed to have that a different the various cyber cell is established on the basis of that this kind of crime required a special type of we can say skill set to identify or investigate. So in keeping in this mind that all over the India the different cyber cells were established. Before 5 years back there was no cyber cell was there, only one central agency and then state level that police headquarters PHQ we used to say were taking care of this kind of cases. But then soon that people who are just keeping or that occupying the higher post and then authorities they may realize that on each district we need one cyber cell or state cyber cell. So keeping in that mind that all over the India that cyber cells were established, but still the crowd and then the flood which we are receiving from the as far as the complaint from the various citizens and then various stakeholder of the society, whether it is coming from adolescents or the teenager, that problem related to the women's problem related to the senior citizens, the financial fraud. So that even that cyber cell was not enough to handle those kind of situation. So we need to have some kind of awareness what happening with the other countries like US. I can share you the data of that. We have a list of 24 countries. So the first country is the China, whereby the cyber crime is committed every year, more than 85 to 90%. Then we are lying India is हम लोग चौथे स्थान पर आते हैं on the fourth number, that 80% of cyber crime worldwide we are committing, we are receiving here in India. And the last 24th number is Japan with only 36% or 23% something. So, and you are surprising the second largest country of the world, that is United States of America, which are using more and more technology and internet, are not lying in that 24 countries. It doesn't mean that they could not face any cyber crime or cyber threat or cyber attack. But the situation is in the US is that over there the fifth class standard students having the cyber crime in their syllabi. So the fifth class students are aware of the do's and don'ts of Facebook, do's and don'ts of WhatsApp, do's and don'ts of Gmail, do's and don'ts of surfing something on internet, do's and don'ts of downloading something, do's and don'ts of uploading something. So naturally, if you know the law, here in India also, everybody is watching, seeing that crime patrol. Even the 3 years old child also know that if you insert one knife to anyone, then you will be in prison behind the bar. आपको जेल हो सकती है, फांसी हो जाएगी. वो देखता है serial. Then there is some kind of fear in his mind and his subconscious also. अगर if I could do same, that I will be behind the bar. But as far as the cyber crime is concerned, that the same boy is playing with the Candy Crush. 21th level or 11th level, but he or she is not aware of that what are the do's and don'ts of being online. So that is why we are more indulging in this kind of by mistake. Sometimes we made a mistake, but the fact is mistake is mistake. We can't say सब पहली बार गलती से मर्डर हो गया, पहली बार गलती से किसी पे गाड़ी चढ़ गई, पहली बार गोली चल गई. So this is the thing. And I told you that this is the digital world. So the digital footprint may not be vanished or completely removed or manipulated by anyone. Next question.